Hi, my name is Steve and Alli, and on this episode on Chomp on This, we have the classic bacon carbonara. So first things first, we want to get our bacon fat rendering in the pan. So what I'm going to do is just take our bacon and we're going to dice it up into small cubes. So now that our bacon is chopped up into small pieces, we're just going to add this to a cold pan. And then we're going to bring it up to about medium-high heat. While that's going, I'm actually going to mince up my garlic really quickly. So while this is going, you just want to kind of break it up a little bit just to allow all that fat to render out inside that pan. So while the bacon is rendering out, we're going to get our linguine in this pot of boiling water. So I have boiling water here, and a cool little trick actually is if you twist it just a little bit and then drop it. So I'm going to add my garlic to the pan, let those flavors get to know each other, and that bacon's going to keep on cooking while that garlic just infuses it with deliciousness. In a medium bowl, what I want you to do is actually now we're gonna crack one full egg in here. And then we're gonna actually use 4 egg yolks. So you wanna separate the eggs whites from the egg yolks here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we're gonna whisk this up. So now that it's nice and smooth, we're gonna add our cheeses in. So I have pecorino and I have Parmesan. And so this is gonna make a nice little cheesy mixture. And we're gonna ladle just a little bit of this pasta water and we're gonna temper the eggs. We're stirring and we're gonna gradually add this hot water in. Now our pasta's done, and so I'm just gonna use some tongs and get this into the bacon. And what we're actually gonna do here, add our egg mixture in while stirring. And we're done. So it's really rich. The bacon is awesome. I mean, you can't go wrong with bacon.